Good morning students. In this video we are going to learn a very important topics indices, power or exponential form. So our today's topic is index, indices, power or exponential form. And further we come to its law of indices. First of all, we see we are taking a very important example 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. We can express this similar or repeated addition in this form 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 5 into 8. This is its compact form of repeated addition. Compact form of repeated addition. Here 5 stand for the number which shows that x is come 5 times here. So we see that in repeated addition where 8 comes here 5 times, we can easily write in this form, or we can easily write it in simplest form or compact form 5 into 8. Similarly, we are coming to our today's topic index. What is this? 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again, here notation is changed. Here plus sign, but in our example here cross yeah, we can say into 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. Here 5 times is repeated multiplication. When we take it repeated multiplication 5 times, then in simplest form or compact form we can write it 8 to the power 5. 8 to the power, what is this? 8 to the power form, in this expression we can write it in to the very important, very simplest form 8 to the power 5. What is 5 and what is 8? Here 5 is exponent and 8 is base. Clear? 8 is base and 5 is exponent. In other words, we can also say 5 is power. So here is very clear that a number occurs in this exponential form which indicates how many times a number multiplied itself. Then we say that 5 is its exponent, or we say a fifth power of 8. Fifth power of 8. Here is another way to write it, that 8 raised to the power 5. Here is two different form for writing its exponential form, and all the expression which is expressed in this form is called exponential form. This is the exponential form of this expression. When we write a repeated multiplication, or we say that a number which indicates how many times it repeated multiplied by itself, then we write it in a compact form or simplest form 8 to the power 5, or in another way we say that fifth power of 8, or we say that 8 raised to the power 5. Both way or this is a form we say power form. And 5 is its exponent, 8 is its base, and this form is said exponential form or power form. Now we come to the laws of indices. Index and indices. We are going to talking about index and indices. Here index is another form of exponent. Similar form of exponent. We say that x to the power n, then n is exponent, x is base, and exponents is also say index. We can say exponent or index. And indices is nothing but a plural form of index. Indices is a plural form of index. So we have thoroughly talking about all this terminology of mathematics: index, indices, power, exponential form. What is the exponent and what is the difference between exponent and power or power form? Here we are going to its laws. Laws of index or indices. First, x to the power m into x to the power n is always equal to x to the power m plus n, multiplication. When base is same and power is different, then maybe similar, x to the power m into x to the power n is equal to x to the power m plus n. Second, x to the power m upon x to the power n is equal to x to the power m minus n. This is the second law of indices. Power of power. Third law of indices is x to the power m to the power n is always equal to x to the power n. Fourth, x to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon x to the power m. Sixth, x to the power 0 is always equal to 1. And 7, x to the power 1 is equal to x. Here 1 indicates that x multiply itself 1 times, that is x is equal to 1 is equal to x is equal to 0 is equal to 1, x to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon x to the power m, x to the power m to the power 1 power n, then we say x to the power mn, x to the power m upon x to the power n is equal to x to the power m minus n, and x to the power n into x to the power n is equal to x to the power n plus n. Here 7 rule of indices. Here we take example for its better explanation. 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 3. According to this law of indices, x to the power m into x to the power n is equal to x to the power m plus n. We can easily write this in the form 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 5 plus 3, or we say that 2 to the power 8, yeah, 8 to the power of 2, or we say 8 raised to the power 8. Again 2 to the power 5 or 2 to the power 3, or we say 5th power of 2 or 3rd power of 2, or we say 5 raised to the 2 raised to the power 5 and 2 raised to the power 3. Then finally we get 2 to the power 5 minus 3, 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 4. X to the power m raised to the power n, x to the power mn, 2 raised to the power 5 and 3, 2 raised to the power 15, or we say 15th power of 2, or we say 2 raised to the power 15. 2 to the power minus 5 is equal to 1 upon 2 to the power 5, or 5th power of 2. X to the power 0, 5 to the power 0 is equal to 1, and x to the power 1 is equal to x, or 5 to 1 is equal to 5. So in this video we have discussed about the rule of indices or laws of indices. Very simple, only 7th rule of indices. We see x to the power m into x to the power m plus n, and so on. X to the power 1 is equal to x to the power x. And what is index, what is indices, what is exponent, what is the power, and what is the difference between power and exponential form, and what is the difference between power and exponents. थैंक यू वेरी मच. फिर मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में अगले नए टॉपिक के साथ. जय हिंद, जय भारत.